What is depression and what are its symptoms? Depression is a mental health disorder that paints life in a persistent shade of sadness and hopelessness. It robs individuals of their joy, turning activities they once relished into mere chores. This condition doesn't just taint emotions, it weaves itself into the very fabric of a person's thoughts and behaviors, often disrupting daily routines and life quality. The severity of depression can span a wide spectrum, from mild to severe, sometimes occurring as a single episode or rearing its head repeatedly over time. Symptoms commonly associated with depression include persistent feelings of emptiness or despair, loss of interest in enjoyable activities, changes in appetite or weight, sleep disturbances, constant fatigue, feelings of worthlessness or excessive guilt, difficulty concentrating, irritability, restlessness, and in extreme cases, thoughts of death or suicide. Depression is a complex disorder that affects individuals differently, but these are some of the most commonly observed symptoms. So, what might cause depression? Let's delve into that. Depression may originate from different sources, and it's often a combination rather than a single cause. One potential source is biological factors. This includes imbalances in mood-regulating neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. Our genetic makeup too can predispose us towards depression. Next up, psychological factors. This encompasses stressful life events, trauma, or significant losses. Even our thought patterns, low self-esteem, and tendencies towards perfectionism can contribute to depression. Let's not forget about environmental factors. Chronic stress, social isolation, exposure to violence or adversity, certain medical conditions, and substance abuse can all heighten the risk of depression. Hormonal changes, like those during puberty, pregnancy, or menopause, can also impact mood and potentially trigger depression. Other factors to consider are demographic traits and the presence of chronic illnesses. While these factors may contribute to depression, it's the interplay of various elements that often leads to this multifaceted condition. If you or someone you know is experiencing symptoms of depression, what should you do? It's crucial to understand that seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards wellness. Consulting with a mental health professional should be a priority. These experts can provide a proper evaluation and guide you towards the most effective treatment strategies. Common treatment options for depression often include psychotherapy, also known as talk therapy. This approach helps individuals understand their emotions and develop coping strategies. Another common treatment is medication, which can help balance mood-regulating chemicals in the brain. Lifestyle changes also play a significant role in managing depression. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and reducing alcohol intake can contribute to better mental health. Support from healthcare professionals, family, and friends is invaluable. Their understanding, patience, and encouragement can make a world of difference. Remember, it's okay to seek help. With the right treatment and support, it's entirely possible to manage depression and lead a fulfilling life. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now.